Welcome to the Budget Car Guide, where we deliver comprehensive analytical deep dives into the vehicles and trends shaping the global automotive landscape. Today, we embark on a detailed examination of a vehicle that is not merely a new product launch, but a strategic manifesto and a harbinger of a profound shift in market dynamics. Our focus is the upcoming NIO Firefly, a model that encapsulates the ambitious, ecosystem-driven philosophy of one of China's most innovative automakers and positions it as a direct challenger in the heart of Europe's most competitive automotive segment, the premium compact car. The NIO Firefly represents a pivotal moment in the brand's evolution. Since its inception, NIO has cultivated an image as a purveyor of premium to ultra-premium electric vehicles, coupled with an unparalleled user-centric ecosystem built around battery swapping, seamless digital integration, and a strong sense of community. Models like the ES8, ET7, and ET5 have established NIO's credentials in the midsize and executive segments. However, the Firefly marks a deliberate and calculated expansion of this philosophy downwards. It is the vehicle tasked with translating NIO's core tenets of luxury, technology, and community into a more accessible, urban-optimized form factor. This is not a dilution of the brand, but rather a distillation, a proof of concept that NIO's unique value proposition can be scaled and applied to conquer the high-volume, brand-critical European compact car market, where vehicles like the Volkswagen ID.3, BMW i1, and Audi Q4 e-tron currently hold sway. The significance of this move cannot be overstated. For decades, the European compact segment has been a fortress of entrenched brands, defined by specific consumer expectations around build quality, driving dynamics, and practical design. The Firefly's mission is to breach these walls, not through brute force on specifications alone, but through a fundamentally different paradigm of ownership. It seeks to redefine what a premium urban electric vehicle can be by making the ownership experience, specifically energy replenishment, as seamless and stress-free as the driving experience itself. This analysis will deconstruct the Firefly across three core pillars: its design philosophy and exterior execution, its interior ambiance and technological integration, and its overarching powertrain and ecosystem strategy. Through this lens, we will assess its potential to disrupt a cornerstone of the European auto industry. Chapter 1. Design Philosophy and Exterior Execution. The Art of Efficient Elegance. The first layer of the Firefly's appeal and its initial handshake with the consumer will be its design. In the compact segment, where dimensions are constrained, design carries an outsized responsibility. It must communicate premium intent, maximize functional utility, and establish a distinctive brand identity, all within a tightly packaged footprint. Based on NIO's established design language, we can project the Firefly's aesthetic principles with reasonable confidence. NIO's design ethos, often summarized as pure design and more recently evolved into design for AD, autonomous driving, is characterized by a commitment to clean aerodynamic surfaces, a sense of calm confidence, and a reduction of visual clutter. We anticipate the Firefly to be a masterclass in this philosophy of efficient elegance. The silhouette will likely prioritize a monolithic, flowing form over complex character lines and sharp creases. The goal is a shape that appears sculpted by wind, not by committee, emphasizing aerodynamic efficiency, which directly translates to improved range, a critical metric for any EV, especially for a compact urban vehicle. Key exterior signatures will be reinterpreted for the Firefly's proportions. The front fascia will almost certainly feature NIO's iconic double-dash daylight running lights, or DRLs, a design element that has become as recognizable as BMW's kidney grills or Volvo's Thor's hammer lights. On a smaller vehicle, these DRLs may be more subtly integrated, perhaps slimmer and more horizontal to emphasize width and stability. The main headlight units will be positioned lower, likely using advanced matrix LED technology for precise illumination. A signature shark nose front end, a feature on models like the ET7, may be softened but retained to contribute to the aerodynamic profile and convey a sense of forward motion. The side profile will be crucial. Expect a cab-forward design with a short, technical overhang at the front and a carefully managed rear overhang to maximize interior cabin space. The roofline will likely feature a gentle, coupe-like taper towards the rear to maintain aerodynamic slickness, but this will be carefully calibrated to avoid compromising rear headroom, a common pitfall in coupe SUV designs. The greenhouse will be generous, with thin A-pillars and a high belt line to provide both a sense of security and an airy, open feel for occupants. Flush-mounted door handles will retract seamlessly to preserve the clean flanks, and the wheels will be proportionately large for the segment, likely 18 or 19 inches, featuring aerodynamically optimized designs to reduce drag further. At the rear, we expect a clean, uncluttered treatment. A full-width LED light bar is a strong possibility, aligning with a dominant industry trend and providing a distinctive nighttime signature. The overall rear elevation will aim for a technical hug appearance, wrapping neatly around the vehicle's corners. The materials used will also speak to NIO's premium aspirations. While full-body aluminum construction might be reserved for larger models, we can expect high-strength steel and aluminum composites to be used strategically to manage weight. Paint quality and color options will be premium, with a focus on sophisticated, muted tones that reflect urbanity and elegance, alongside perhaps a signature vibrant color to attract a younger, design-conscious audience. In essence, the Firefly's exterior will be an exercise in intelligent subtraction. It will aim to communicate its premium and technological nature not through added ornamentation, but through the purity of its form, the precision of its shut lines, and the harmony of its proportions. It must look purposely designed for the future of dense, connected cities, not simply a scaled-down version of a larger SUV.
Chapter 2. Interior Ambiance and Technological Integration, the Condensed Second Living Space. If the exterior is the handshake, the interior is the conversation. NIO has consistently won plaudits for its interior design philosophy, termed the second living space. This concept moves beyond traditional automotive interior design, which often prioritizes the driver's controls above all else, towards creating a holistic, comfortable, and technologically immersive environment for all occupants. Translating this ambitious concept into the confines of a compact vehicle is the Firefly's greatest challenge and its most significant opportunity. Upon entering the Firefly's cabin, the occupant should immediately feel a sense of calm and expansive warmth, a stark contrast to the potential hustle of the external urban environment. To achieve this spatial illusion within a compact footprint, NIO's designers will employ several key strategies. A minimalist dashboard architecture will be paramount. Visual clutter will be eliminated, with physical buttons reduced to a minimum for essential functions like hazard lights or volume control. The color and material palette will be light, warm, and natural. We can expect extensive use of high-quality, sustainable materials that are both tactile and ethical. Soft-touch polymers derived from recycled sources, premium vegan leathers, perhaps using innovative apple or mushroom-based derivatives, and trim accents in genuine open-pore wood or a convincing sustainable alternative. Fabric headliners and door inserts in woven textiles will add a layer of domestic comfort. The centerpiece of the dashboard will be NIO's signature vertically oriented central touchscreen. In the Firefly, this screen may be slightly smaller than in the ET7 or ES8, but its integration will be just as seamless. It will run the latest iteration of NIO's proprietary operating system, powered by the formidable Atom supercomputing platform. This ensures interface fluidity, rapid response times, and the capability for over-the-air updates that continuously improve functionality. The digital instrument cluster ahead of the driver will be a high-resolution display, configurable to show essential driving data, navigation, or media information with clean, legible graphics. However, the true heart of NIO's human-machine interface, and a feature that will undoubtedly carry over to the Firefly, is Nomi. Nomi is the world's first in-car AI assistant with a physical emotive form, a small circular unit on the dashboard that can rotate to face the speaker and express simple emotions through light patterns. Nomi is not merely a voice command system, it is designed to be a proactive companion. It learns user preferences, suggests actions based on context, like preconditioning the cabin before a scheduled departure, and controls virtually every cabin function through natural language. In the intimate space of the Firefly, Nomi's presence could become even more integral, transforming the car from a machine into an interactive partner. Its retention in this smaller model is non-negotiable, as it is the ultimate embodiment of NIO's user-centric philosophy. Spatial innovation will be critical. The Firefly's interior architecture will likely employ a total space design approach. This could involve a flat floor enabled by the skateboard EV platform, allowing for more flexible footroom. The front console may be designed to be minimal or even capable of retracting to create a more open feel. Seating will be a highlight. Slim profile yet highly comfortable seats that provide ample support without consuming excessive space. They will likely feature integrated heating and, in higher trims, ventilation. Rear seat versatility will be key. They may fold in a 60-40 split or feature a sliding mechanism to prioritize either legroom or cargo space. Clever storage solutions, deep door bins, under-seat compartments, and a multi-configurable center console will be essential to maximize the utility of every cubic centimeter. The ambient lighting system will be another tool for shaping the cabin's character. With strategically placed multicolor LED strips, it can create everything from a focused, driver-centric environment to a relaxed, lounge-like atmosphere. Combined with a high-fidelity audio system, potentially a branded partnership, though perhaps not the full 23-speaker setup from flagship models, the Firefly's cabin will be engineered to provide a sensory escape from urban noise and stress. It aims to be not just a means of transport, but a mobile sanctuary of well-being. Chapter 3: Powertrain, Platform, and the Ecosystem Supremacy. The mechanical and strategic core of the Firefly's body resides in its powertrain, the platform that underpins it, and most importantly, the vast ecosystem into which it is plugged. This triad forms the unassailable competitive moat that European incumbents will struggle to cross. Powertrain and platform. While specific output figures remain confidential, the Firefly will be a pure electric vehicle built on one of NIO's next-generation platforms, possibly a derivative of the NT 3.0 platform anticipated for future models. This platform will be engineered from the ground up for efficiency, space utilization, and cost-effectiveness. We can anticipate a choice of powertrains: a single-motor rear-wheel drive variant offering a balance of range and value, and a dual-motor all-wheel drive variant for enhanced performance and traction. Power outputs will be sufficient for confident urban and highway merging, but the tuning priority will be on smooth, linear, and silent acceleration, the hallmark of refined electric mobility, rather than neck-snapping sportiness. The 0 to 100 km per hour time is less relevant than the 30 to 80 km per hour responsiveness in city traffic.
The battery pack will be the linchpin. NIO is expected to offer the Firefly with its latest battery technologies. This could include the standard 75 kilowatt-hour pack, the longer-range 100 kilowatt-hour pack, and potentially, in time, access to the groundbreaking 150 kilowatt-hour semi-solid-state battery, which promises range figures that could approach or exceed 900 kilometers (CLTC) in a larger vehicle. In the Firefly, even the 75 kilowatt-hour pack should deliver a real-world range comfortably exceeding 400 kilometers WLTP, which covers multiple days of typical European urban commuting. The ecosystem, the power swap revolution, is where the Firefly transitions from being an excellent compact EV to a category-redefining proposition. The Firefly will be fully integrated into NIO's proprietary power swap network. For the uninitiated, this allows a driver to navigate to a NIO power swap station via the car's navigation, where an automated system will remove the vehicle's depleted battery pack and replace it with a fully charged one in approximately 3 minutes, a process faster than filling a tank with petrol. This technology neutralizes the two greatest consumer objections to EVs: long charging times and anxiety over battery degradation, since you are not permanently tied to one physical battery. For the urban dweller, the Firefly's prime target, this is revolutionary. Many city residents lack access to reliable home charging. Public fast charging, while improving, still involves planning, waiting, and often dealing with incompatible networks or faulty stations. The power swap turns energy replenishment into a predictable, rapid, and effortless pit stop. NIO is aggressively expanding this network across Europe, building stations along major highways and in key metropolitan areas. Owning a Firefly means gaining access to this growing infrastructure, a tangible and massive advantage over any rival that relies solely on plug-in charging. The broader ecosystem. Beyond battery swapping, the Firefly owner enters the NIO lifestyle ecosystem. This includes the NIO app for remote control and service scheduling, access to NIO houses, branded clubhouses, participation in user community events, and a comprehensive service package, NIO Service. The vehicle will receive continuous improvement via over-the-air software updates, not just for infotainment, but for vehicle performance, battery management, and advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. The Firefly will feature NIO's Aquila Super Sensing System and Atom supercomputing platform, providing sophisticated Level 2+ autonomous driving capabilities for highway and urban pilot scenarios. Conclusion: the gateway and the challenge. The NIO Firefly's mission is crystalline: to serve as the gateway vehicle into the NIO ecosystem for a massive, previously untapped audience of European urbanites. It aims to prove that true premium electric mobility is not defined solely by horsepower, leather quilting, or badge prestige, but by the holistic quality of the ownership experience. It offers a compelling triad: a beautifully designed and crafted compact vehicle, a warm and intelligent second living space interior, and membership in an ecosystem that solves the fundamental practical hurdles of EV ownership. Its success hinges on execution. Can NIO achieve the impeccable build quality and material feel that European compact car buyers demand? Can it scale its power swap network rapidly enough to make the value proposition tangible at the point of sale?
Can it effectively communicate this complex ecosystem advantage to consumers accustomed to a simple car plus fuel model? If the answer to these questions is yes, the Firefly will not just be another new model in a crowded segment, it will be a Trojan horse, introducing a new competitive logic to the European market. It will force traditional automakers to confront an uncomfortable reality that their decades of engineering prowess in internal combustion engines and chassis tuning may be insufficient against a competitor that has reinvented the very relationship between the driver, the car, and its energy source. For the budget car guide, the Firefly represents one of the most strategically fascinating vehicles on the horizon, a compact car with the potential to
to create an outsized shockwave across the entire automotive industry.